Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how the Discord overlay works. Now, I know this may sound like a stupid video. Why am I even making this? It's just a simple Discord overlay. Yes and no. And here's why I say that. Throughout the past 4 years I've been using Discord, Discord overlay has always been the most buggy thing ever. Some games it works, some games it doesn't, some settings apply for it for some games, and some settings just completely disregard and default back to other settings, and I just don't really know why, and that's why today I'm going to be showing you how to actually use it properly and use it for your own benefit. And use it for your own little benefit here. So to get to that, you want to go to user settings in the bottom corner. Actually, before you get right into that, this is my Discord server. I don't really promote it, but here it is, and join it. But there's always a link in the description below and at the end of this video. So as I was saying, go to the user settings in the bottom corner, scroll all the way down until you see game overlay. And here it is. Pretty simple, right? You got the avatar size, large or small. You got display names, always, only, while speaking, or never. There's no point with never. I guess never would turn things off, but I have it as always, and I'll show you the different modes in a game in a second. And you can also pick where your overlay will be. Now, if you have it in any of the bottom, this is weird, and you should not do that. That's stupid and dumb. Don't do it. You're weird. Always put it in the top left, because that's where it's set to default. I guess you can do top right, but that's just weird to me. And in the middle over here, you can click the X and just completely disable it. But for this case, we're going to put it on the top left because that's the default. And what I'm going to do is you can actually toggle it on and off. Now, the default is shift plus and then comma? Huh? What? And you can set it over here, and I'm just going to set it to shift plus. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. And that's your overlay, right? I'm going to actually now load it up in a game so you can just see the different types of overlays and which one might actually suit you. So I'm going to load up my favorite game on Steam, Bloons Tower Defense 6. It's a really fun game. And let's just have this load up. There we go. Now, once your game's up, any game whatsoever, if you are in a VC, you can see by the top corner, I'm not in a VC. So if I join a VC right now real quick, you'll notice nothing pops up. I just joined a VC and nothing pops up. And if this happens to you, this is what you need to do. Go back to your Discord and go to activity status right above. You'll see there's a settings here that I usually never fuck with. I just keep it the way it is, but for some reason you can see the overlay is off. So if you want this overlay to work 24/7 with any game you play, make sure you go down your list over here and just start turning on the overlay. Now, I don't know why some of these are set to off, and as you can see, this weird little bug over here is actually happening where it's keeping my toggle overlay as I'm scrolling to change it. But what you want to do, like I said, is go down your whole entire list and turn on the overlay for everything. So the X with the slash through the monitor means that it's off, and you should probably turn it on. So anyways, if you see at the top, I turned it on for Bloons Tower Defense, meaning if I move this out of the way, it should work. Now, weirdly enough, it's still not working. Hey, yeah, you probably scared you. I'm sorry. I'm not actually sorry. Yo, you know what you should feel sorry for? Not clicking that subscribe button. So if you could do me a favor and click subscribe right now, it's completely free, and you can even unsubscribe later. Thanks. Enjoy the video. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes, and I actually figured out why Discord wasn't working. It's not the game that was the problem, me playing Bloons Tower Defense. It was the fact that I have a second monitor and my Discord wasn't minimized. So apparently that's a problem when your Discord, if you have a second monitor, isn't minimized, but you're tabbed into a game on your main monitor. It just won't show the overlay, which, I mean, maybe kind of makes sense, but I don't like that. But as you can see, I'm in a VC, and you can see my overlay right there. You can see me and my friend's space in VC, because I was asking him a few questions if he knew how the hell to fix this issue. Going back to the overlay, there's so many options here, so I'm just going to run through all of the options right now so you can see what it looks like on my screen. Okay, so this is what large avatars look like in the top left. Switching down to now small. Take a look, you can see they're just smaller. I personally like the larger ones. And as you can see, it always displayed those avatars. Now, my favorite is only while speaking. Hello? Should I?
Hello? Ratio?
KYS.
Your mother.
Ouch. So as you can see through that demonstration, it only shows the name when you talk. It shows the icon still, but it only shows the name when you talk. That's my favorite. Now the next option for display names would be never, but that just kind of makes no sense. So I'm going to keep it as only while speaking. Now, display users, this is my favorite one to set up too. You have it as always, so as it just shows us there. And the one below is only while speaking. This is my favorite. Go to hell.
Ratio.
Okay. Alright, that sucks, dude.
Yes.
So, as you can see through that little demonstration, it was only popping up when that person was talking. And that is my favorite one. And that is pretty much all the game overlay settings. Now, to do a little summary on how to get the game overlay to work 24/7, because like I said, I have issues, and I think a lot of other people have issues, or maybe I'm just dumb. One, if you have a second monitor and your Discord's always up, you're going to have to minimize that for game overlay to work. Number two, if you go to activity status over here, there'll be this little thing on the side saying overlay. And in some of your games, they will be turned off like they were with mine, and you saw me earlier turning them on. But if I continue to scroll down, you should see there's still a whole bunch that are still off that I'm turning on right now. So if you really like game overlay and you don't have a second monitor that's causing issues if you have your Discord up, just make sure you toggle the overlay on for every available game that Discord recognizes. And for games that don't recognize it, you can actually go all the way up here and you can click add a game and you can search. It could literally be your Google Chrome or your Logitech G Hub or my antivirus or even OBS, whatever the case may be. You can create it for yourself and have an overlay just for your own benefits. Anyways, if you did like this video, please make sure to drop it a like and subscribe if you are new. And tell me what you want to see more of in the future in the comment section below. And we also have in my Discord server, where is it? The Video Ideas channel, where you can post any comments on either a new video and tell me what you want to see done, if a tutorial or another method for Nitro, or pretty much anything that's on your mind. Peace.